How to take money out of savings on Cash App. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to take money out of savings on Cash App. First, launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. After that, go to the bottom menu and tap on the banking icon that appears here at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Money section of Cash App, where you will see options that are related to money. From there, make sure you scroll down a little bit and come to this part of the page. As you can see here, there are many different options. From those options, the one we need is this one named Savings. This page will then appear where you can see your savings on Cash App. The page also has a very important section here that has two options. The first one is Transfer, which means you can use it when you want to send money to your savings on Cash App. The other option is Transfer Out. This option means you would like to take money out of your Cash App savings. So go ahead and tap on it. After that, this page appears where you are supposed to pull this slider to choose the amount you would like to take out of your savings. If you want to enter a custom amount of money, then proceed and tap on the digits where the money appears. After that, a page similar to this one appears where you can manually type the amount of money you would like to take out of your savings. Finally, after confirming everything is correct, proceed and tap here and move to Cash Balance. The money will then be moved to your Cash App balance. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to take money out of savings on Cash App.